Assalamu alaikum. Are you get error when you try to upload your SVG file? Sorry, you are not allowed to upload this file type, and you cannot upload also uh, SVG file error, and your TTF file error. So today I will show you how to solve your multiple file upload issue using a single plugin, and that is free for you. So just click to plugins and add new plugins and type CITS SVG support. Okay, so you will get a plugin CITS support SVG WebP ICO TTF OTF file upload. So single plugins and you will get multiple media support. So click to install now and active the plugin. It automatically sanitize your media file. So if any script or anything, it will be automatically removed. Okay, so active the plugins and now again try to upload your media file. So I am going to media, add new files, and if I drag here is busy. Okay, so it upload easily without any error, and now you can upload your TTF file so without any error, and also you can upload your WebP image. So um, single plugin and you can solve your multiple file upload issues. I hope it will be solve your problem, and now you can use that image anywhere. If you enjoy the video and that plugin solve your problem, so go to plugin page, click here, go to plugin page and submit your review. So thank you. I will waiting for your feedback.